Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to try to make a box to house my drone. And this is, I think, the layout that I want it in. I got the blade guards underneath the drone. Hopefully that'll work with the Kaizen foam that I want to put in. Very tightly compact, and I want to have a lightweight carrying case for this. So that's the end goal. A lightweight carrying case that carries everything I need for the drone. So let's get started. All right, I got the project done. I've really loved the way this thing turned out. I got the helicopter symbol on the top, and I'll tell you what that's for here in a second. But on the inside, everything I need for my particular drone is within this case. And it's all encased in Kaizen foam. I got my controller. I got, of course, the drone itself. I got 3 extra batteries and the charger. I got a little spot for my extra blades and my user manual. Everything I need for this drone is within this case. And it works out great. It closes up, it holds everything nice and tight. I got a couple buckle latches, I think that's what they're called, and they even hold it quite tight. Nice little handle, well, it's a handle, it's not a nice handle, but it's a handle. Piano hinges on the back and little feet so I can store it up against a wall wherever I'm going to store it. Now the big H on the top is the landing port or the landing pad for the drone. So the idea is I can take this out to wherever I'm going to take it. I can set it, I can open it up, take the drone out, set the drone on top here, and that is my start and end point for the drone. And it kind of just gives me a landing area for the drone. But I'm really happy with the case, and you know, it's really lightweight, and that was my end goal, to fit everything in one case, lightweight, and I can just take it wherever I want. So that's gonna work out awesome. Everything I need in one case with a landing pad for the drone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.